Welcome to my YouTube channel Auto Vista 360. I always appreciate your support. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Now we start the video without holding your precious time. Embarking on a journey into the automotive opulence of the 2024 Audi S8 unveils a tapestry of sophisticated design, technological ingenuity, and unbridled performance. At its core, this pinnacle of luxury sedans is likely propelled by a formidable V8 engine, a testament to Audi's dedication to delivering an exhilarating driving experience. The exterior aesthetics of the S8 are a symphony of design elements, harmoniously composed with distinctive lines that contour its silhouette, a signature single-frame grille that exudes confidence, and captivating LED headlights that not only illuminate the road but also elevate the car's visual presence. Stepping into the cabin is akin to entering a realm where luxury is redefined. Every facet of the interior is meticulously crafted, with opulent materials such as premium leather adorning surfaces, and exquisite trims accentuating the attention to detail. The marriage of comfort and technology is exemplified through an array of cutting-edge infotainment systems, ensuring that the driver and passengers are enveloped in an atmosphere of refined indulgence. The 2024 S8 doesn't just boast high-end features, it curates an experience that transcends the ordinary, a true sanctuary on wheels. Yet, the allure of the Audi S8 extends beyond its luxurious interior. It is a performance juggernaut. Acceleration becomes an art form, and handling transforms into a dance with the road. This powerhouse sedan is not just about speed, it's about control and precision, a symphony of engineering prowess that delivers an exhilarating yet composed ride. Advanced driver assistance features seamlessly integrate with the driving experience, ensuring safety without compromising the thrill. In essence, the 2024 Audi S8 emerges as more than a mere vehicle. It's a statement of automotive excellence. It personifies the brand's commitment to pushing boundaries, where each curve of the exterior and each technology-laden component inside reflects an unwavering dedication to delivering a driving experience that transcends expectations. For those who seek the pinnacle of luxury and performance, the 2024 Audi S8 stands as an embodiment of automotive sophistication, inviting enthusiasts to revel in the artistry of the open road.